Yes, very good. Now, like I told you, we see that this stimulus, all of this is perceived by the nervous system. But why does our body, right? Why does our body require this nervous system? Yes? So that is what also we're going to understand. Killer boys, if you've not studied control and coordination, I request 2 hours of your time now. You will learn everything in this particular class. Yes? You will be able to learn everything. Now, why does our body require nervous system? Yes, of course, Abhinav, I did see your Teacher's Day messages. Thank you so much for that, right? So I was just thinking that once I finish it up, I would thank all of you once again. Yes? Okay. So now, of course, when we talk about the nervous system, yes, I'm going to come back to this. Why does our body need the nervous system, right? So that is an important thing to understand, and you can make a small note of it everywhere, right? So this nervous system is responsible for keeping our body, right? So it keeps our body informed about the changes that are happening. So external changes that are there, whether they are outside or they happen within our body, external changes happen, right? And these changes need to be informed, and that is the role of the nervous system. Next up, it's not just there for informing, but our nervous system also memorizes. It keeps a memory of, okay, this is what's happening. So let's keep a memory of it. So it also stores information so that it can be used for later use. And last but not the least, it is responsible for regulating various voluntary and involuntary actions. Yes? So this is the role of nervous system. Okay, these are three broad, I would say they're very simplified functions that are there, right? But these are three very broad functions of the nervous system. Now, the nervous system, as the name suggests, is an organ system which is made up of many structures. But the structural and functional unit is nothing but the neurons, right? So they are nothing but the neurons that are responsible for this, all right? Yes. So everybody, thank you so much for all your wishes for Teacher's Day. This means a lot to me. I did see all of your messages. So thank you so very much. It means the world to me, right? Now, for those of you who are asking me again on what is stimulus, stimulus is nothing but any external change or external things. What do you say? Any external change that takes place that brings about a response in our body. Are nerves and neurons the same thing? No, they are not, Siddhartha, and I will be telling you why in just a minute. Yes? So now that we know that this is a structural and functional unit, now we'll understand how this nervous system does its role. I'm saying it is informing changes, right? It is there for memory. It is regulating various things. So how exactly is the neuron able to do this? Now we see that neurons here are responsible, or they communicate through each other, or I would